Welcome back. In the last video, we talked about how to install ViewTober and build your production assets. In this video, we're going to talk about using the development server. To do that, we're going to come back to the command line and we're going to run npm run dev. There we go. We're hitting localhost 3000, which means we are using the development server. And let me show you one of the coolest features of this by far. When we're working in development, we have access to hot reloading, which means anytime we make a change in the code, we're going to see that change instantly over here. So if I change this to something else, press save, it'll update here. And that goes not only for the HTML, but it also goes for the CSS. So if I do h1, make it red, and press save, you'll see it now says something else. But even cooler than that, we also get hot reloading of our JavaScript and our application will maintain state. So let me do a quick example to show you how cool that is. We'll make a script block and a basic component that'll just return some data. Name, empty string. All right, so now our application now has some state. We have an input box and that is bound to the name property of our state. So let's go ahead and put something in there. And now when a hot reload occurs, the state of our application is going to remain unchanged. So if I change this to say ViewTober, you'll see that updates, but our application still has the exact same state. How cool is that? The next thing I want to show you about the development server is using ViewDevTools. If you're using Chrome, this is a must-have for you. So what we can do when we're in development is we can go ahead and inspect, and then you'll see we have this View tab over here. If you click on this, this is going to show you the tree structure of your application, and cooler than that, you can drill into a specific component and access it in the console. So here you can see we've got it set as VM0. So I can go VM0.name equals Rachel. And you can see we can modify our application that way. The ViewDevTools has a lot more features that I'm not going to dive into, but you can do things with Vuex where you can start doing time travel debugging. You can record events and all sorts of crazy things in here. So definitely pick this up if you're a Chrome developer. All right, the last thing I'm going to show you about the development server is how to use ESLint. So if we come back over here, you'll see a couple files in your theme directory. We've got ESLint ignore, ESLint RC. The one that we care about is ESLint RC. So right here, we can specify exactly how we want our code to appear. And what the coolest part is when you hit save, ESLint can auto-fix a lot of these problems. So for example, I'm a fan of trailing commas. I think that they should always be there, which means if I come here and I take out the trailing commas, when I press save, ESLint will pop them back in for me. And this is great if you're working on a team with multiple developers, because you guys can agree on a set of standards and then you can know that all of your code is going to look exactly the same. So whether it be indentation or quotation style or semicolons or whatever it is, you can set ESLint up to do whatever you need. And you can find more rules right here at eslint.org/docs/rules. And anything here with the little icon next to it means that it can be auto-fixed. All right, that's it for the development server. I hope you enjoy this workflow, and I'll see you next time.